Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram mention sticker feature. Now, to use the Instagram mention sticker, all you have to do is start by creating a story or a reel. All you have to do is swipe towards right from your main feed page. Then select any of the options between story and reel. Now click a video or click a photo. Or you can just tap on this upload option and select your media from the gallery. From here, you should be able to find this menu bar on your right hand side. All you have to do is click on this stickers option. From here, you should be able to find mention option over here. Go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see now, you can just simply type in your friends or your friends or your family's username, and once you type in their name, or just select it from this specific options, as you can see, their username has just been popped up, and you can use this as a sticker and place it anywhere on the screen according to your desire. Once you do so, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this your story button or this arrow button and add it or just share it according to your desire. Now your viewers will also be able to access this specific account just by tapping on this sticker. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.